Boy, hello viewers and welcome to Emeka Williams Spiritual Tips. I am your brother, Pastor Emeka Williams, and today I am coming out with another power-packed spiritual another power-packed spiritual information that will transform your life. You can call it cleansing bath, you can call it prosperity bath, you can call it attraction bath. But if you know this leaf that is the principal ingredient for this particular bath and you have it around you and you make use of it, I can tell you, you don't receive favor from people, that will be the thing of the past. Things are not working for you, doors will definitely open and things will begin to work for you. Honestly, it is tested and proved. Which plant am I talking about? This plant has been favored by God and by the property, spiritual benefits and property that God has given to this particular plant. It succeeds on every place it found itself, any location, any environment, and it grows on other plants. So it received the favor of other plants to succeed. And as such, every human being deserves or depends on other human beings in order to excel in life. Nobody is an island of his or her own. So you must depend on some people. In fact, you must depend on human beings to make headway in whatever you are doing. You need the contact, you need the connections, you need the moral support, you need the financial support, you need everything that humans can give. Though God is the principal connector of humans to be helpers to you. And which plant am I talking about here? I am talking about the mistletoe. It's a wonder plant. It's one of the plants and herbs that has the highest magnetic and attractive properties in it. I repeat, mistletoe. M-I-S-T-L-E space T-O-E, mistletoe. You can go and Google this particular plant. Yes, it attracts customers, it attracts love, it attracts favor, all kinds of blessings. So when you have a contact with it, when you make use of it and tap into its spiritual energy, you manifest those properties and those benefits the mistletoe carry. Now, a little more about this particular tree, this particular plant. Where is it found? This plant is a unique plant. It grows on top of other trees. It derives its nutrients from other trees. It has no connection to the ground. It stays on top of trees and derives its nutrient from the nutrient that the other tree, the host tree, has gotten from the ground. In other words, this plant enjoys the benefits and derives its nutrient and its success from others. And as such, when you connect to it, you begin to derive nutrients from other people to prosper. The mistletoe doesn't know when there is dry season. It doesn't know when there is wet season. As long as it's on that host tree, it keeps drawing from the nutrient of that host tree. So now you are going to, from now on, be in the position of the mistletoe, and your benefactors will be your host tree. Companies where you work, family members, friends, business partners will become your host while you begin to receive favors from them. That is, by the way, about the mistletoe, because I'm talking about how we are going to organize this bath. Then another thing you're going to need in this bath organizing, this preparation of this spiritual bath. Look at this, is what the mistletoe plant looks like. The mistletoe. Then you're going to be needing some leaves of the mistletoe. Then you're going to also need cubes of sugar. This is a cube, but you'll be needing 7 cubes of sugar to prepare this particular cleansing and prosperity spiritual bath. 7 cubes of sugar, some amount of mistletoe leaves, then some amount of bay leaves. I am running out of bay leaf here, but I still have some pieces of bay leaf in this particular nylon. Okay, here we go. This is the bay leaf. The bay leaf. Okay, I have some amount of bay leaf here. You get some amount of bay leaves. Look at this. I don't know whether you are seeing it. Some amount of bay leaves, some amount of mistletoe leaves, then 7 cubes of sugar. You put them in a bucket of water. Then when you have done that, you are going to read Psalm 121 over it. Psalm 72 over the bucket of water. Psalm 1 over the bucket of water. I take that again. Psalm 121, Psalm 72, and Psalm 1 over that bucket of water for 3 days. Let the energy, let the spiritual property of this plant, this mistletoe, enter inside that water. Let the bay leaf, the wish manifesting leaf, spiritual energies enter inside that water. And let the sugar, the sweetening, it's a combination of attraction, favor, and sweetening and manifestation. Then you use it to bait. Wherever you go, everybody that comes in contact with you must definitely favor you. Don't look at this as, oh, it's one of those cleansing baths. No, this is an extraordinary cleansing bath. And when you cleanse yourself always, you bring that spiritual aroma, that spiritual beauty out. It enhances your reception of good things. These are tested and proved spiritual recipes. You go and try it out. And don't forget, if this is your first time of coming in contact with this fish, I remain your brother, Pastor Emeka Williams. Go and try it out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And God bless you. Till we meet again in my next video, I'm expecting your resultant testimonies. Have a nice day.